Hi guys, Paz this side here. So in this first video, I am going to share how you can create your Facebook page and how you are going to link up your Instagram and how you can optimize your unprofessional URL to the professional ones and what are the major steps to follow. What is the resolution size of a logo and what is the resolution size of your cover image too, and how many posts you have to post on your Facebook page. And the major part is lots of people don't know what is the privacy policy and how it is mandatory for a Facebook page to run advertisement. So everything will be in detailed way I'm going to show you in this video. So stay tuned to my channel and let's dive into the video. First go to the facebook.com, just log in your Facebook and click the menu and then find out Facebook pages. There is an option, right? Pages, click that one and you can find create a new page. So click that create a new page button, the plus icon, and you have to give your business name. Actually my client is a mechanic shop, so that's why I'm just giving SG Diagnosis and Solutions. You have to give your business name and you have to verify that once with blue tick. So it is verified, right? You have to give category which your business is related to. My client's business is related to vehicle repair shop. You have to give maximum 3 categories. Yes. So vehicle repair shop and machine shop and our service is based on business, right? So that's why I'm just giving. So you have to give your bio. It makes sense, right? Just give your bio what you are doing. So click create page, right? So as of now we don't have any website. I just leave this part and my client is from India by the way, so I just choose the Indian number. Before that I just want to tell you we have to connect our business WhatsApp. Just convert your normal WhatsApp into business one. Give your email address and then you just have give your location and you just have write your city which you belongs, right? You just have give your pin code too. I'm just giving my client's pin code and just keep it always open, right? So click the next button. Yes, to add our profile picture and logo, I'm just creating a video how to design your logo on Canva. It's just very simple. I'm just doing fast forwarding here. So find out a logo which is suitable for your business. I'm just designing this. I'm dropping my logo size below. You just find out on description and I'm just dropping this template link also. You can re-edit this template and create your logo. So that's the thing. So I'm doing this video as fast forward because we have to complete this video in 5 minutes, right? And I'm just dropping this cover image link to on the bio and the cover resolution is 851 into 315. So you can use this. So click add profile picture and just find out your profile picture. Yes, that's the thing. And we have to add our cover image too. Just click add cover photo and find out the cover image. Click open and you can easily drag this cover image to resize the position, right? Click add action button, click try it and you can choose an option here when somebody want to connect with you as messenger on WhatsApp. I'm keeping this messenger, so save these settings, right? So click next button. Yes, as of now you have to convert your personal WhatsApp into the business one because business one is eligible to run advertisements on WhatsApp too. So I'm just connecting my WhatsApp and we got a code on our mobile number. So just I'm showing on the screen, right? You got a verification code. So 25938. This is my verification code for my business WhatsApp. Click confirm. Yes, my business WhatsApp is connected. Click the next button. Right. This is the major part everybody is missing right now. So we have to invite our friends. It builds credibility when we have 5 to 10 followers. So invite all friends. So select all friends and click send invitation. Because we have 10 to 5 followers, it builds credibility. Just click the next button and put it as it is, and just click done. Right. So now we have created our page. In the next video, I will show you how you can create all stuff by optimizing the Facebook. Until then, stay tuned to my channel.